Well, welcome to the start of another Dynodaze video. This is a Wayne's Red FN2 Type R, and today we are fitting a 4:1 manifold. We're fitting a HEL clutch bypass line, and then we're going to map it up. We're going to get some flames. He wants some flames and some pops and bangs, so we're going to do that. And we're going to do that by using the Ecutek technology. We're going to flash the stock ECU with an Ecutek race ROM and then get tuning. But first up, it's going on the ramps at Dynodaze to get its modifications done. So there's the lad. Good morning, lads. They're ignoring me. Morning, Jensen. You never seen a red FN2 before? Facetiousness at this time of the morning. How you feeling, Rich? Okay then. Right, let's get on with it. Okay, so the initial power run is complete and we have a starting point of a healthy 214 brake horsepower. Now it's got some modifications, so it's now got a HKS induction kit, 4:1 manifold that Richard has just fitted, and it is on an M2 catback exhaust system. So we're going to flash the stock ECU with an Ecutek race ROM, and then we're going to do some tuning. So here we go. Let's go speak to Richard. Richard, how you doing this morning? It's afternoon now, isn't it? It's afternoon. You all right? Yeah. You been showing Jensen how to fit an inlet, an exhaust manifold? Has he learned something?
I hope so.
Yeah, me too.
I'm desperately teaching him how to do the clutch bypass parts. I don't like them, so yeah, that's definitely.
That'll be a Jensen job.
That's definitely a Jensen job, yeah.
And then valve clearances after that.
My priority is to teach him the things that I really don't like doing first. Yeah. And then I'll move on to other things.
Oh, that's fantastic. That's a great plan.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a good action plan, and hopefully he's going to learn at college how to do all the things you don't want to do.
Yeah.
I like it. I like it. You liking that, Jensen?
Yeah, get all the fun jobs.
I get all the best jobs. I get all the best jobs like that. Right, let's do some. nearly time to make a YouTube. Oh, that's a little bit warm. Feel that, Jensen? Feel my pipe?
No thanks.
Is it nice and...
Not on video.
Is it warm? It's hot, ain't it?
It is warm, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, right, let's complete this video. I feel like we need to jazz these videos up a bit because they're all red FN2s.
Jazz it up, I don't really.
Jazz it up.
What do you want to do? Aerosol them a different colour?
No, I don't think so. Jensen says he's never seen a red FN2 and he's being facetious.
He is there, isn't he?
Yeah. So, favourite DC character?
Yeah. Oh, is that where we're going with this?
Mine's Batman. It's not.
I don't know if it's DC or otherwise, but I just like the women generally.
Wonder Woman then.
Yeah,
That's DC.
I like Wonder Woman, yeah.
He likes Wonder Woman. For some reason I like Batman. Do you know George Clooney's Batman suit had nipples on it?
Did it?
Yeah, why would your armour need nipples?
I'm not so sure on that one.
Someone can pull me up on that if I've made a mistake there.
Yeah.
Yeah, anyway, mine's Green Lantern. It's not Batman. So, and the Hal Jordan one as well. Right, FN2. We've jazzed that up.
Well, now we've got to go into, is it the original Green Lantern, or is it the Green Lantern with Bruce Lee? The original.
Richard, that was the Green Hornet.
Oh, there you go, was it? Oh, there you go then.
Close, but no
That's
cigar.
how much I know then, isn't it?
Right, so, but who's your favourite Marvel character then? There's a lot to choose from now.
Yeah, well, there's a lot to choose from there. I like the, if it is Marvel, the one that's blue. Can't remember her name now.
Core blimey, the one that's blue.
Yeah, I can't remember what her name is.
Well, what film is she in?
Oh God, what's her name in real life? I don't know. You have to help me out now.
I know what you mean now. You mean Mystique, the one that can change.
Yeah,
colours.
change colours, change shapes,
like
and stuff.
attack you with the legs.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
Yeah, I like her.
Yeah.
And do you know what? I like both versions because there's two. Because obviously that's actually not at the time. You don't care, but at the time it wasn't a Marvel film. It was a Sony film because X-Men that was.
Yeah.
That was X-Men. So Sony owned the rights to the X-Men. Now Marvel have got it, so you might see Wolverine in the movie. Anyway,
we're definitely off topic.
Mystique.
2 minutes and 2 seconds off topic.
Well,
now.
This is what I'm saying. I'm saying every FN2 that comes in here is red.
Yeah.
And I wanted to spruce it up a bit, and I wanted to say something different. I couldn't think of anything different. Yeah. It's got a hot HKS induction kit.
Yeah, well, we've seen quite a few of them over the last couple of weeks, haven't we? Especially whilst it's been warmer, and they have been pretty bloody hot, haven't they? Really, to be fair. 4-to-1 decap manifold on it.
That Richard's just fitted.
That I've fitted.
And trained Jensen how to fit.
And a clutch bypass pipe, not that has any relevance to power, but clutch bypass pipe, and it's got the M2 exhaust system on it.
It has, yeah. We sell M2 exhaust systems, and we sell Jap Speed 4-to-1 manifolds. We actually sell HKS induction kits, but if you're asking for our advice, CPL big bore or maybe a hybrid racing.
Yeah, we did a little bit of development one for ourselves, but we're generally using that as 3.5 inches for the bigger power boys. You know what I mean? For cams and so on and so forth. But yeah.
I've got cams now.
Do we have a look at the graph?
No, I want to talk about my cams.
Oh God, I don't want to talk about them.
I've got cams now, and I've been.
Have you done that video? I've put that video up.
I have, yeah, but I didn't really. I haven't done like a review of my cams. So for those of you that actually follow the channel and not someone who's just come to the first bit, I've got a Championship White FN2. We've recently dropped some Drag Cartel dropping cams in there, and whilst my peak power didn't change, not that I think I would have felt that anyway, but we have got a 7 brake horsepower gain right across the rev range. My review of those cams is that it feels crisper and less effort. It feels, the car feels like it wants to go more effortlessly, and I don't know whether you're going to feel a 7 brake horsepower gain at peak in your bum, but across the rev range it feels like it's come to life. Anyway, Richard says enough about my own car and I've got to go and check the graph out, so that's what we're doing. Look at these guys on their phones. It must be lunchtime.
Wait for you.
Oh, okay, well my phone ran out of storage, so I had to start again. Right, let's have a look. Okay, so as we always say, red line is as she came in, blue line is as she leaves. Not a great deal to be talking about at peak power. Obviously, wheel horsepower has increased, and then we've got a correction figure for the dyno, but we have got a lowered VTEC point, giving us quite a bit of a gain in the mid-range, about 30 brake horsepower, extended the rev range out to 8.6, and we finish on just shy of 218 brake, 138 at the wheels. So anyway, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video, guys. Like and subscribe and all that jazz. Let us know your favourite DC superhero character in the comments below. Richard thinks Ryan Reynolds is a superhero character, and I've explained that he's actually an actor.
No, I didn't think he was really a superhero, no. I'm not that stupid. As I said, I like Ryan Reynolds.
I like Ryan Reynolds. I do like him. Do you know he owns a football team in Wales?
No. And neither do I care.
Oh yeah, okay, you didn't care, that's fair enough. See you all on the next one, won't we, lads?
Indeed.
Good.
Before and I'll say it again. Life was pretty fast.